Hey guys, welcome to the discuss. So today we are going to discuss about Post Affiliate Pro or PAP, and for that I have prepared a small PPT. So let's just get started. Here are the basic domains of discussion, like what is PAP, how does it work, what are different tools offered by them, and real customer reviews, and what are the pros and cons of it. Now the first question is, what is Post Affiliate Pro exactly? So it is basically software that helps you maintain and keep a track on your fully functioning affiliate program. Now let's just say you own a business or you want to sell some services or products to everyone, but you're not able to generate some sales or leads due to some reasons. So what you'll do is basically hire some affiliates and let them promote your product to different people and get traffic to your website or to your business or to your product or anything, and in turn you give them some commissions. So in this process, a Post Affiliate Pro completely helps you by giving you all the necessary materials like the merchant panel, affiliate panel, promotion material, banner ads, on what links to create, what to promote, and how to promote. So it is basically that software which runs your entire affiliate program by its own and helps you take control of it. Now the next question is, how does it work and what tools do they offer? So what I'll do is I'll directly take you to the website and we'll just check out the complete interface and analyze the panel tools one by one. So this is how the home screen of Post Affiliate Pro looks like. I'm right now running the trial version of Post Affiliate Pro as obviously I'm not a business owner, or I do not promote any services, I do not have any affiliates, so that's why. So here on the left hand side you can see all the tools that they offer, and we'll just check them one by one on what are they and basically what do they do. Now if you are a complete beginner and if you think that it is really difficult to learn, then you are not wrong, but I think that you should probably go for the trial version. And in the trial version they offer these amazing video tutorials that will help you in learning everything about Post Affiliate Pro, like what is it, like as you can see here, it's the merchant control panel tour, affiliate control panel tour, and everything like the installation, configuration steps, everything they provide. And it's just you have to learn it, and then slowly and gradually you'll once you learn everything, you can promote your affiliate programs and run them, and eventually get more traffic and sales. The next things are the campaign settings. Basically, if you want to create just a campaign from here, then you can simply create it from here by this thing. And also here are the statistics for your campaigns. What are the commissions, what were the total sales, if there are any pending sales, or if there are any unpaid affiliates left. So this is what it is. Here's the campaign manager, and you can easily access the campaign from here. Like just need to edit from here, and yes, just edit in one click. The next things are basically the banners, or so basically what are the banners? That basically the promotion material, which are link, text links, image banners, flash banners, anything that you want to create. Just click on make a banner, and you can see here the different options that Post Affiliate Pro gives you. And also in the overview section you get all the statistics, like what were the impressions, or clicks, what were the repeated clicks, what are the unique clicks, and you can simply manage all the banners from this section. And you can see, you can just edit simply from this button, and just delete all the banners if you want to delete any. So it's really simple, and it's really easy to access. And the next section is, I guess, the most important one, because it's the affiliate section. So here you basically can see how many affiliates do you have, how many affiliates are approved and how many are pending, then what are the commissions, and what if there are any pending commissions left. Also, you can manage all your affiliates from this affiliate manager, where if you want to approve a particular affiliate and disapprove a particular affiliate, then you can just do a simple click right over here. And so yeah, this is basically it for the affiliate section. So the next section is basically the transaction section, where you get an overview of all your transaction statistics and everything. You can just simply manage all your transactions from here. Now the next thing, which I guess is the most crucial part of any businessman, is the analytics, or the reports. In this report section you get everything and repeat everything. Like you can just see a quick report, trends report, all the checklists, your commissions, payout histories, invoices, payouts by affiliates, everything. So if you just click on quick report, So you can see you get everything, you get every data of all your affiliate programs just by, so here is click impressions, CTR, what is the CTR basically, what is the conversion ratio, and how your all affiliates are performance, and so basically the performance report of all your affiliates, and you get everything under this one section. So yeah, Post Affiliate Pro really stands out in giving this type of quality reports to all the businessmen, as you get access to everything, every single detail on on your promotions. So yeah, this is for the report section. So the next section is basically the payout section, where you can get the overview of your payouts. So like what is the payout statistics, if you want to add any transactions, or if you want to manage all the payouts, you can do through here. The next thing is the email section, where through which you can communicate to your affiliates. It's just a simple, if you want to send a message to your affiliate regarding any other referral programs that you want to promote, then you can do in this section. The next thing is basically the configuration, or all the basic things like all the language settings and event loggings and everything, basically all the basic settings that you want, you can go through here. And the next things are basically the tools that the Post Affiliate Pro offers. So yeah, you can learn everything under the 14-day free trial period. First link in the description, you can just go to it and check out Post Affiliate Pro, sign up for free, take the 14-day free trial, learn everything via that video tutorial section. And yes, this is basically once you are familiar with it, then you can upgrade to a premium or any take the subscriptions and start your own affiliate programs and promote your business or promote your services. So yeah, this was it for the how to use it section. The next section is basically the reviews of customer. So the best review customer site is basically Capterra.com. It is basically a site where all the businessmen that use different softwares like Post Affiliate Pro or Uphizer, everything, come here and discuss that and give a review basically of how their journey was while using this type of softwares. So you can check out everything. You can check all the ratings and all the reviews via different customers. So as you can see, Capterra basically offers a 4.6 rating to Post Affiliate Pro, which is really great. Anything above 3.5 is really great software. So yeah, you can check all the reviews through here. The next things are basically the pros and cons. Now the pros of Post Affiliate Pro are the user interface is just awesome, as you saw. You can manage everything in one place with ease. The customer service also is excellent, and they resolve your query under 24 hours. The reports and analysis provided are very much thorough and in-depth. So yeah, in the con section, I would say it's a bit expensive, but also it comes down to the advantage that yes, it's a bit expensive, but there is a value for money. So yeah, so if you're looking for a system that helps your online business to explode with the right affiliate network, then definitely go for Post Affiliate Pro. And yes, you can sign up for the free 14-day trial using the first link in the description. So thank you, and if you got some value out of this video, please like, share and subscribe. And yeah.